So email is a really bad medium for brainstorming and long discussions. And this is particularly true when a lot of people are copied on an email. In this short video, we'll go over how to present options instead of asking open-ended questions so that you control the conversation a little bit more. So the first tip is don't end an email with thoughts. And that's because phrases like thoughts or what do you all think about this invite people to share their never-ending opinions. And you'll get a flood of emails from them with very little control over the conversation. So instead, limit their options by stating something like, do you think we should do A, B, or C? And this guides them on a specific answer and avoids any off-tangent discussions. And now if a longer conversation is needed, then make sure you schedule a meeting instead. But in most cases, you can actually avoid a long conversation when you limit the options, such as the example there, where you ask people if you think we should do A, B, or C. So instead of responses such as, oh, I think we should do this or we should do that, they're going to get back to you with, oh, I think we should do A, or someone else is going to say, I think we should do C. The second tip is don't ask, when do you think we should meet? So when scheduling a meeting, asking your team members questions such as, when do you think we should meet, will also get you an avalanche of responses. Someone might say, oh, I think we should meet next week. Someone might say, I'm free Tuesday. Others might say, oh, Wednesday afternoon works for me. And it's just a never-ending rabbit hole. A better way is to state something like, team, we can meet for 30 minutes on one of these days. 1. Friday, June 3rd at 10 a.m. US Eastern Time. 2. Tuesday, June 7th at 1 p.m. US Eastern Time. And 3. Thursday, June 9th at 7 a.m. US Eastern Time. And which option works best for you? Again, you're limiting options here where people are going to respond with either 1 or 3, or someone might say 2 is best for me. And that way you're going to reduce a lot of the headaches on your end. So quick summary. Minimize the number of emails you get by presenting options instead of asking open-ended questions. Then if a longer conversation is warranted, schedule a meeting instead to have a more effective discussion. Thanks for watching, and on to the next video.